You can't tell me that this does not look like either a sew-in, a U-part wig, a quick weave, something of that sort. The whole time, you guys, this is crochet hair. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got this look. And just spoiler alert, this is my second time installing this hair. I've had it for a cool little minute now and I absolutely love it. So just to get into the details of the hair, this hair is from LUVME Hair. This is their Kinky Straight feather crochet hair. So when you get the hair, it's going to come with 2 of these little bunches on a ring. So basically that counts as 1 pack. So what I did was I ordered 3 packs, but I only ended up using 2. So technically, if one comes with 2 bunches of hair on it, then I use 4 bunches of hair total. I hope that makes sense, because it's going to be really important, just in case you are interested in this hair, that you order it correctly. I got this off of the TikTok shop, so that's what I'm going to link in the description box for you guys. And honestly, lately I've been getting the majority of things from the official stores on the TikTok shop, because sometimes they have better pricing than even the website. Just in case any of you guys are interested, which I have a feeling that some of you guys might be, it will take you to the TikTok shop link through their TikTok shop store. Okay. Also, this video is not sponsored, so I don't have any like discount code or anything to give you guys. So this is the length that I got. I got 20 inches, which it is true to length. You'll find that once you straighten it, it probably gets maybe like an inch longer. But then I did curl it, so then it kind of goes back to being its natural, you know, looking like a 20 inch. You can dye this hair, essentially. You can bleach it. It is human hair, so you can do all of the things that you would like to do to it, and it presses out really nicely. And obviously you guys can see that it does hold a curl really nicely. Now I'm going to be using a hot tool to get these curls, but you could also just go in with like some mousse and flexi rods to get the same effect. However, me personally, I'm not the greatest at doing flexi rods, so I'm just going to stick to what I know. This is my second time installing it, and I really do like this. I'm a big fan of LUVME Hair. I get very minimal shedding with this hair, and this hair has not tangled on me at all. I literally don't have any complaints with it. And this may look like a lot of hair, but I promise you guys, crochet hair is so light and fluffy and so airy. It honestly doesn't even really feel like I have too much of anything on my head right now. It's very breathable. You can easily access your scalp to oil it, put serums, whatever it is that you choose to do. You can wash your hair whilst in this style. You can kind of be carefree with this texture too. So if you enjoyed this video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my hair, and I'll see you guys in my next one.